What's up guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 winning products that you guys can sell right now for March 2021 while I wait for an inventory shipment to arrive for one of my stores. Oh, actually it looks like it just got here. I just got the tracking update. Anyways, let me go grab that and we'll jump right into this. Awesome, this is a great site to see. We got 3 in today, 5 yesterday, so I could avoid paying import fees. Okay, so I have 3 products for you guys. One, you guys are really gonna want a brand if you wanna be successful selling this. The second one, I've actually sold in the past, last spring. And the third one is more of a high ticket drop shipping item, so we kind of have a variety right here. But I did go through, I found all of these products in the AliExpress dropshipping center, which you guys should have access to. And if you go through there, you just click find products. It gives you a lot of criteria to go off of, so you can choose the product category, where it ships from, if it has e-packet, everything else to do with that, so you guys can find some winning products to sell in your own stores. Anyways, let's talk about the first product that I just found for you guys. Okay, so the first product that I chose are these smartwatches, and they actually compare to some of the bigger names like the Fitbits, the Apple Watches, the Galaxy Watches, all of that. They have a lot of the same features on here, like the heart rate monitor, the step counter, the sleep tracking, the waterproof functionality, all that stuff. But the reason I chose this, even though it's pretty saturated at the moment, is because spring is right around the corner. You have all the gyms and everything else are starting to open back up. So people's lives are starting to return to normal, and fitness is an ever-growing industry. A lot more people are starting to move into fitness lifestyles, and it's just becoming important to a lot of people. So this is one of those products you guys are going to want to build a brand around and really do a good job branding it if you want to successfully sell it, rather than it, just popping up, making a few sales here and there and then shutting down the store. If you want to actually build a real brand around this, you're going to want to put in a lot of work. You're going to want to build some branded social media pages and get a bunch of influencers to really rep your brand, try to get your logo on it, but you guys can successfully sell this if you do it the right way. Okay, so the second product we have here, I actually sold on one of my own stores last spring, but I've since sold that store off. But anyways, this is the pet seat covers to protect your seats. As you see right here, you have the hammock, you have the screen up there, and it just really does a good job protecting your seat, and it's got that luxury style look to it. So one of the cool things I like about this listing right here is obviously you have the 2 different colors, and then they come with, it says a gift, these little straps right here, but it just comes with every order. You have the 2 different sizes. But what I really like about this is they do have a US shipping option, and it does say 5-day delivery guaranteed down there. So you guys can get this order out to your customers ASAP if you guys do a good job marketing it and selling it. Now, one of the main reasons I chose this product for this time of year is obviously spring is right around the corner. There are going to be some very muddy conditions outside, and people are going out and walking their dogs all the time and taking them on runs or to the park or whatever. Anything like that, you want to protect your back seat of your car. So this seat cover actually does a very good job doing that. I've actually ordered one in the past and shot my own unique video ads doing it, so I can say that it does work. So this isn't one of those items that your customers are going to get and then it's nothing like the way you advertised it. It actually does a really good job. Okay, so the third and final product I have for you guys is the high ticket dropshipping item, and this is the Touchless Sync Tap. So obviously, in a world where everybody's worried about germs and washing their hands all the time, having a touchless sync tap really helps out, and it's a good product to sell. So this is actually something I'm considering selling in the future because I haven't talked about this a whole awful lot, but I am diversifying out of e-commerce. I'm still doing e-com full time, but I'm also investing in real estate a little bit. So I do kind of want to make a home improvement store and scale it up a bit in the future, but this isn't something I'm going to be drop shipping or doing anything half-ass on. This is going to have my full attention. So this is a project that I am going to work on in the future. But besides that, we have this sync tap right here. It's touchless, and you guys can get some pretty good margins with it. As you can see, it sells from anywhere between $70 and $100. So you guys can probably sell it for anywhere between $150 and $200, depending on how well your branding is and your advertising and your video ads and everything else. But you click the video right here, just has the functionality of it, all the parts and pieces, has actually how to install it. But a lot of the people buying this from you aren't going to be installing it themselves. They'll have a professional service do it for them, but it has the instructional video and everything on there if you guys want to throw this on your own website. And then there's a video of the product in use. So as you can see, you still turn it on normal, but it has the touch sensor right there to stop the flow of water and start it again. So this is a good product to sell in a time like this where everybody's scared of germs. So those are my products I have for you guys. I hope you guys found some value out of this video. Now is the time to go out there and sell these items like crazy. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out, and subscribe as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.